which is the Kepler Space Telescope. This telescope was designed by NASA and put into space to allow scientists to better understand what planets may exist beyond our solar system. The telescope had a mass of 1,039 kilograms, which is 1 ton, and contained a special camera with a 95 centimeter lens. This was the largest mirror telescope in space at the time. The telescope cost over $550 million. The Kepler telescope started its mission in 2009 and was part of the NASA's Discovery program. The space telescope was named after the 17th century astronomer Johannes Kepler. Since its start of mission, astronomers have discovered 2,682 exoplanets. Exoplanets are planets outside of the solar system. The program found an additional 2,900 unconfirmed planets, where more research was required. The original mission was set to be primarily finished by 2012, but in 2013, the telescope started to fail. Although the telescope had failed in part of its ability to not operate, not everyone gave up on Kepler. Some very determined NASA scientists had managed to come up with a new mission called K2, Second Life. The new mission had begun on November 2013, and the telescope was back to work, using its limited ability to maneuver. NASA was very lucky as the mission lasted much longer than what they had planned for. The mission lasted until late 2018, when it was shut down on November 15, 2018, due to running out of fuel. The original mission was planned for only 3.5 years of operation and had lasted a total of 9.5 years. The telescope worked by analyzing the dimming effect of planets on stars as they passed in front of them, which they had pretty much measured the brightness of a star and how it dimmed when objects traveled in front of them. The Kepler telescope observed 530,506 stars and detected 2,662 planets. This was a huge success for NASA. Some of the major discoveries were that 2,682 were confirmed planets. Planet systems can exist in very small orbits, much smaller than our own, and can orbit around more than one star in the system. We also found out that small and rocky planets, similar to Earth, are more common than larger gas giants, also like Jupiter. Did you know that the Kepler telescope takes a total of 45 days to make one complete orbit? The Kepler telescope is worth $550 million USD, which is 733 million in Canadian dollars. The dimensions of the telescope are 15.4 feet and 8.9 feet. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.